Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back, it's Steve. It's been a while. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to teach you a little something that I knew how to do, but there's a piece of it that I just found out yesterday. And before I get into that, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I really appreciate it. You guys have been doing great. What I want to show you is how to multitask on an iPad Pro. I'm pretty sure you could do it on an iPad Air or maybe the new generation iPad, but I have an iPad Pro, so I'm going to teach you on this. Okay, so I already knew that you could side-by-side apps, like that I knew, but yesterday I found out you could actually multitask 3 applications at the same time. And I haven't tested everything, so I'm not sure if they need to be specific apps, but I tested it with, I believe it was my email, my text messaging, and my, what was the other one? My photos. So I had 3 apps, 2 side by side, 1 hovering. And then I also found out that you can, with your finger, drag and drop photos. So instead of going to your, say your text message and hitting add photo, selecting it, and then it populates, if you have your photos up on one side and your text message up on the other side, with your finger you could just hold down the picture and drag it into your text message. So that's pretty cool. Let me just take a sip of this, it's a little hot. So good. Alright, so that's what I'm going to show you today. How to multitask 3 windows, that's 2 side by side, 1 window hovering, and then also how to drag and drop. I think you could do like photos from photo to text and photos to like Dropbox as well, but I'm just going to show you photos to a text message. So let me do that now over here, and then I'll come back. All right, let's do it. Okay, so it's pretty simple, and this is all you really need to do. First, you want to open the first app. So I will open the photos. Okay. Now what you want to do is swipe up slightly from the bottom center near the white bar until you see your toolbar. And now I want my text messages to be side by side. So I hold the text message bubble until that pops up, and then I just drag it to the end until you see that. Now you have one app side by side, my photos and my text messages. Now I want my third app to hover, so I could have 2 apps side by side and the third app hovering. So again, lift it up slightly, and I'm going to Safari. Again, hold it down, hold the app button, drag it. I usually drag it to the middle until you see it turn really thin rectangular, and then let go. Bang. Now you have right here your photo app, your second app, your text messages, and right here is my third app, my hovering Safari. So what I want to do now is drag and drop a picture into my text message. So instead of using the picture button here, if you're in side-by-side mode, all you really have to do is press on whichever picture you want. I'll take the picture of Samuel L. Jackson from Coming to America, hold it down, drag it right into my chat, and there it is. It shows up right there. And that's pretty much all you have to do. And that, my friend, is how you multitask on an iPad, iPad Pro, iPad Air. How you could side by side 2 apps, have 1 app hover, and also how you can drag and drop your photos from the photo app to your text messages. Again, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You guys have been doing great. I really appreciate it. And I'll talk to you all next time on whatever my next video may be. Peace, guys.